Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Tactics. I am Devan Sharma. Today, let's learn divisibility rules for 2, 4 and 8. With these rules, you can find out whether the number is divisible by 2, 4 or 8 in a few seconds. Let's start with the divisibility for 2. For the number to be divisible by 2, the number's units digit should be even. Let's have a look at the first example, 584. The units digit is 4. 4 is even. So 584 is divisible by 2. In a second example, the units digit is 0, which is also even. So this number is also divisible by 2. In a third example, 6127, the units digit is 7, which is odd. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 2. For a final example, although it's a bit long, we can find out if it's divisible by 2 in a few seconds, looking at the units digit, which is 2. 2 is even. That means this number is divisible by 2. Let's learn about the divisibility with 4. For the number to be divisible by 4, the last two digits should be divisible by 4. In our first example, 836, the last two digits are 3 and 6. 36 divided by 4 gives us 9, which is an integer. So 36 is divisible by 4. Hence, 836 is also divisible by 4. For a second example, the last two digits are 5 and 6. 56 divided by 4 gives us 14, which is also an integer. So 3856 is divisible by 4. Let's have a look at more examples. Our next example is 9782. Its last two digits are 8 and 2. 82 divided by 4 gives us 20.5. This is not an integer, so 9782 is not divisible by 4. For our next example, 3 and 5 are the last two digits. However, the units digit 5 is not even, it's odd. That means this number is not divisible by 2, so it cannot be divisible by 4. Our next example is 8262. Its last two digits are 6 and 2. 62 divided by 4 gives us 15.5, which is not an integer. So this number is not divisible by 4. For a final example, 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So this number is divisible by 4. Let's have a look at the divisibility with 8. For a number to be divisible by 8, the last three digits should be divisible by 8. For our first example, 8248, its last three digits are 2, 4 and 8. 248 divided by 8 gives us 31, which is an integer. So 8248 is divisible by 8. Next, the last three digits for 7362 are 3, 6 and 2. 362 divided by 8 is 45.25, which is not a whole number. So 7362 is not divisible by 8. Let's have a look at more examples. Our next example is 9184. The last three digits is 1, 8 and 4. 184 divided by 8 is 23, which is a whole number. So 9184 is divisible by 8. Next, 3527. 527 are the last three digits. Here, however, the units digit is an odd number, which is 7. So as this number is not divisible by 2, it cannot be divisible by 8. Our next number is 82136, whose last three digits are 1, 3 and 6. 136 divided by 8 gives us 17. 17 is a whole number, so this number is divisible by 8. For a final example, our last three digits are 8, 1 and 2. 812 divided by 8 gives us 101.5, which is not a whole number. So this number is not divisible by 8. Now that you know the divisibility rules for 2, 4 and 8, think about what would be the divisibility rule for 16. Ponder on this and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also check whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 4 and 8 and post your answers in the comments. I hope you loved this video. Please like and subscribe to stay tuned for upcoming videos and interesting mathematics tricks. Thank you everyone.